We had some friends roll into this spot last night, and we stayed up for a little bit and chatted with them. Took a soak in the hot springs this morning. I got up early for sunrise, and then now we're just working. We're way behind on work right now because all the stuff we're doing with the bus. But we're just spending today. Both of us are editing a video for Tiny Home Tours. And then I'm hoping I can convince Kat to get in the hot tub again, or not hot tub, hot spring a little bit later tonight. We've had this bus for about, oh, hello Corksy. Can you see him in the window there? I don't know if you can or not. I can't see on the camera. We've had this bus for about 2 weeks now, and kind of, oh, we got people coming. We've had this bus for about 2 weeks now and kind of had this vision for what we were hoping life would look like, and today kind of feels like the first day that it is like it. It's a slow pace, we're doing work, but we're in a beautiful place, and that's kind of one of the big goals that we had moving onto this bus. Today we took some time doing some stuff that we really have needed to do. We moved into the bus in a hurry and just have not had the chance to do all the organization we wanted. So we got kind of this whole thing a little more situated, cleared out our shower. So now we just stash a few things in there for travel. And then we moved spots, not very far, just a few miles away, but We got a good recommendation for a place that has a lot better service. Kat needs to do some work that requires cell service, and so here we are. What should I say?
We decided that we needed more cabin lighting.
We decided that we needed more cabin lighting.
You want me to?
No, I got this. I got this.
Okay.
Those of you, well, I don't know if there are any of you who are following along to see how we decorate this place. Tonight we added more cabin lighting. In my mind, it resembles like totally resembles like a airplane runway at night. Sorry, Cope, I just bonked into you. But these are dimmable lights. I'm gonna pass this off to Kat so that I can dim them for you.
Okay.
There's our brightest setting, and we have two strands here, so we can kind of dim the outside and the inside roughly at separate times. So here we are dimming the outside ones. Oops, brought them back up. And then the inside ones. So now we have lighting for... Oh, time to feed the dogs. Now we have lighting for all kinds of situations.
Yay!
How'd I do?
Pretty good.
Let me put it in dog feeding lighting.
Thanks for getting weird with us on this episode of Zeppelin Travels with Kat and Sage. Stay tuned for the next episode where Sage goes for a hike, we visit another set of hot springs, and we brave some Southern California traffic.
What are we experiencing at the moment?
Pure bliss and joy because of Southern California traffic.